So I don't know the elements of the periodic table. Heck, I mean, I know that they come in different classes, but I don't know them. When I was a kid in high school, I was the president of the chemistry club, but I didn't know anything about chemistry. Nobody else wanted to do it. What's the point to all this? I think kids they don't need to memorize the periodic table. They just have to have some sort of fascination behind it. And heck, I find it more challenging to find kids who can spell table, much less be interested in the periodic table. So what's the best book to get them curious about it? It's this one, Exploring the Elements, a complete guide to the periodic table. It's from Isabel Thomas with pictures by Sarah Gillingham. And what makes this book so interesting is that it's approachable. It's sensible. It's not science gobbledygook or this is what's what. It takes each element and in nice little pictograms shows you what the element does, where it's used for, where it's gotten from, and a little history from it. This is not elementary school periodic table, it's middle school periodic table, but it's written at such a level that it's going to interest those kids who might be in upper elementary school who are curious about the periodic table, and they're saying, hey, you know what? These folks who study the periodic table and who work with it and who know how these elements work with one another, they make a lot of money, and I want to make a lot of money. So maybe I should learn the periodic table. Maybe that's the case. Case in point. The other week I was talking with a student and I said, hey kid, what do you want to do when you grow up? Just making casual conversation. And the kid was like, I want to be a professional basketball player. And I said, kid, what's your backup plan? Because if you put as much work and effort into your basketball plans as you do any other subject, nursing, technology, heck, a trade, you're going to make more money than you would otherwise be a professional basketball player. I haven't seen this kid's skills. Could be the next LeBron James. Highly unlikely. Kid was shorter than me when I was his age. The periodic table. Call it your gateway to financial success. Call it whatever you want to. You're looking for the book that'll help you get there. This is the best book we've seen that presents the periodic table in a basic, interesting fashion that makes kids say, what's this? Why do I want to care about it? Oh, lithium. This is what lithium does. This is why it's important. It's fascinating. Check it out. Exploring the Elements, a complete guide to the periodic table. It's going to be great for those kids 10 and up. However, you middle school and high school science and chemistry classes, this is one of the books that you need in your class. One of those must-have books.